Hi, Sue from IC Sugar. I made a Joker a few weeks ago, so I figured I may as well give Batman a go. I haven't been modelling cakes faces for very long, so this is my sort of fourth attempt. I used a picture I found off Pinterest that gave me a pretty good 3D front, side, and back view. Um, and on the right side, you can see the first step of my progress. So just putting some modelling chocolate over my chocolate ganache. I'm dusting on some petal dust here, so it's just flesh and brown petal dust with vodka mixed together, and just sort of getting it, sort of pushing it into those indentations to give some light and shade. In a minute, you'll see me wipe it off with a little bit of paper towel. With the black that I've used, I just used Americolor Super Black and Super Flare Licorice and Midnight Black, um, just to sort of get a darker shade. You saw there on the right side again the modeling chocolate. So I've done the cake with, it's a butter cake with chocolate ganache, shaped with modeling chocolate and then iced over in white sugar paste. And I used Bakel's Pet Nice. I put the ears on last and the cape just after that. So I'm just brushing it on here. As with all my cakes, I do them white. I paint over the colour later on. Oh, there you can see the chocolate ganache coated in the chocolate modelling paste on the right side. Anyway, I wanted a Batman that sort of looked a bit dark, not so glossy. So hence why I sort of chose not to ice it in black sugar paste. I wanted a bit of light and shade, which is why I did do it in white and paint over it. And use some paper towel here just to remove some of the really glossy colour and just to sort of refine some of the indentations um, in in the um, in the sugar paste. So filling in the eyes, getting as close as I can to the iris. I mean, Batman, you don't sort of see any of his eyes other than the sort of the white bit in the middle. And just a really fine brush. I have a couple of different paint brushes I use, to sort of from really fine tip to something that's a little bit larger. So with the board, you'll see nothing specific. I iced the board before I put the cake on it, let it dry for a day or so, and it's just a little bit of grey. There you go on the right side, fully done but not painted. So just a little bit of grey, and I did have a Batman logo that I'd made up for a previous cake that I ended up just putting at the front of this one. There you go, the paper towel again, just rubbing off the excess paint. And that should be about it, other than a little bit of airbrushing. Thanks for watching.